Dear students, welcome to Learn to Live. In this video, we'll be discussing about the definition and elements of contract. Definition of contract. The term contract is derived from Latin word contractum, which means drawn together. Contract is an agreement to do or not to do an act. It is enforceable by law. John Salmon defines a contract as an agreement creating and defining obligations between the parties. Blackstone defines a contract as an agreement upon a sufficient consideration to do or not to do a particular thing. As per Section 2, Clause H of the Contract Act 1872, a contract is an agreement enforceable by law. Examples of contracts. An agreement of lease is a contract. An agreement of hire purchase is a contract. An agreement to sell a car for consideration is a contract. Elements of contract. Section 10 of the Contract Act 1872 provides that all agreements are contracts if they are made by the free consent of the parties competent to contract for a lawful consideration and with a lawful object and are not hereby expressly declared to be void. According to Section 10 of the Contract Act 1872, the valid contract must contain the following essentials. 1. It must be an agreement between two parties. 2. Parties must be competent to contract. 3. Free consent of the parties. 4. The consideration and object of contract must be lawful. 5. The agreement must not have been declared expressly to be void. 6. The agreement must fulfill the requirement of a particular law. Students, this is the end of the section. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. Make sure you press the bell icon for new updates.